In this video, I will show you how to make a resume in Google Docs. So this is pretty simple and I recommend a specific strategy, but first just go and open up your browser and search for docs.google.com. Then once you're here, you want to go and click on Template Gallery right here. Then you have a section with resumes. Now that's what we want. So you can see right here kind of what it looks like, so just find the one that you like best. For example, I'll take the spearmint one right here. And now Google Docs is really easy to use. So for your name, just go and enter your name. Then here, enter your job title. You can go and enter your address, your email right there. Now just go and enter some skills. You can also use ChatGPT and just write a little about yourself and your skills and your experience, what you've done in your life and stuff like that. And then ask it to write everything right here in the way that best applies to you. Then under education, just gonna enter the school name, the location of your school, which degree you had, which years it was in, and this just makes it super simple to go ahead and write a degree. Now if you want to change a font or color, just go and select that text, and then here you can change the color, here you can change the font and the size, and you can make it bold or not bold. It's really simple, and they have some resumes right here that you can just use for this. So now you know how to use Google Docs to create a resume. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.